In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect JotForm to Microsoft Excel. This is useful when you want your form submissions to automatically flow into an Excel spreadsheet without manual data entry. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to connect and click Edit Form. Once you're in the form builder, click Settings at the top, then select Integrations. In the Integrations section, search for Microsoft Excel and click on the integration when it appears. On the Microsoft Excel integration page, you'll see that JotForm uses Zapier to connect your form with Excel. Under the Zapier template section, click Use this Zap. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Zapier account. If you don't have one, create an account and then continue with the setup. Follow the remaining steps in Zapier to connect your JotForm form with Microsoft Excel and choose how your form data should be added to your spreadsheet. Once the connection is complete, new JotForm submissions will automatically be sent to your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. That's how to connect JotForm to Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.